Hmm. Hello, my name is Dava Pandu Pratama. I explain to English has 16 verb tense organized across the four time frames. It's a present, past, future, and past future. Each without four grammatical aspects: simple, continue, perfect, and perfect continuous. Understanding this grid help you see patterns later. The memorize 16 spectral rules is simple. Stats, fact, habits, and are complicated action without focusing on duration or complication relative to another time. Continuous is describes action in the progress at a specific moment. Use the in from the form of to be. And perfect connects to time points on an action, complicate before another moment use have, has, had. Perfect continuous emphasize the duration of an action landing up the point in time use being closing. Teaching tip: always introduce tense in the pairs simple versus continuous, then perfect versus continuous. Within the frames, this help learn notice uh, contrast naturally. And present tense is simple and continue. Simple present from base verb is at is or is. For the for he, she, it. Used for permanent facts and general truth. The sun rise in the east. Habits and routines. She drinks coffee every morning and schedule her future event. The train leave at 6 p.m. Oh, okay. Is signal words always, usually, every day, often, and never. Present continue from am, is, are, plus verb in. Used for action happening right now is I'm studying grammar. Temporary situation, he's staying with friends this week. Plan of future arrangement, we are meeting at noon. Signal words, signal words, now the moment currently, the weeks, look, listen. What's out? Don't use continuous with stat alive verbs. I know the answer is not I'm knowing. Present tense, perfect, and perfect continuous. Present perfect, I have, has, past, uh, participle. Used for experience without specific time. I have fish, Irish. And returns past action with the rules she has lost her keys. And complete action just already and yet. Okay. Present perfect continuous is form has been verb in. Used for the action start the past and still continuing. I have been studying for 2 hours. Okay, and K contracts. I have written the report down versus I have been writing the report. Still going or just finish, focus on the process. Okay, simple and continuous, simple past from regular verb at it, uh, irregular verb change from go, win, eat, at, white word. Used for complicate action, the specific pastime. I visited London last summer. Signal was yesterday. yesterday, last week, ago, in 2000, 2010, when, then. Okay, classic counter. I watching TV when power went out. The continuous action is watching was interrupted by simple past action went out. This pattern appears the frequently in storytelling. Okay, has perfect and perfect continuous had a past practical action completed before another past action. She had already left when arrived. Third condition I have had now I will have come. Signal was before after when by the time already just and until. Okay. Uh, Past perfect continue from had forming ongoing action that was happening the another past event. He had been waiting for an hour. She finally arrived. Okay, simple feature from Wilford Beresford or be going Beresford use will for a spontaneous decision. I'll answer the phone. Use going to for plans already made. I'm going to study tonight. Signal wars is tomorrow, next week, soon, later, and few days. Uh, Feature continue will be for plus verbing. Action the progress specific feature time this time tomorrow I will be flying to Paris. Signal was the time tomorrow tonight at 8 when you arrive next Monday. Mhm. Feature perfect is action completed before deadline. By Friday, I will have finished the project. Signals by the time before when. Feature perfect continuous will have been forming duration action up to the feature point. By June, I will be working for the 3 years. Signal words for signs by the time when. The past feature tense describe the action where feature from the past perspective often used in the reports by storytelling or hypothetical situation. The key is auxiliary is world or was we're going to report the space about feature is seaside will call me Paul requests and offers. Would you mind helping me? Sites, signal what is site, talk, believe, expect, and work. Past feature continues will be verb in. An action will be progressing the feature point from the past perspective. She said he would be working 8 p.m. Okay. Uh, Past feature perfect. I will have past spectral used for an action will be complicated. Feature point few for the past. She said would have finished by noon. Quick, res- quick reference teaching tips. Teaching in the Paris. Always simple, continuous. Use real life example. Highlight signal words. Practice the timeline and address common error early. Okay, this all for me. That's what you're going to 6 English verb tense. Remember, the key is to focus on the patterns of the time aspect rather than just memorizing rules. I hope to help you explain to more clearly communication with confidence. And thank you for watching.